Guys, welcome back to another video on LJH Bass Fishing. On this video, I fished in a John boat with my friend Jack Kilmer. It was his grandparents' pond, and we fished it. We caught some big fish. The biggest fish of the day was caught on an Excite Baits Raptor tail. I'll put a link in my description for Excite Baits. Make sure you go get one. Make sure you go get some packs. Whatever you want. It's got a good website. I like the brand. I like the owner. Yeah, enjoy the video. Got one on the John boat. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's bigger than I thought. Chunky guy. Ah, dang it. It's still on it.
On the John boat. Yes, sir.
This dearest one's my favorite.
Yeah, give me a second. Jack has a fish stuck in the brush right now.
Like a 2. I just broke off clean on a giant.
Okay, there you go, guys. Little chunker. Throw him back. Oh, he's warm.
He's still on it. Feel it. I think I'm gonna have to break it off, man. If I break off again, I'm gonna kill myself. Put this in the video, okay? I'm joking, don't put this in the video. If you put this in the video, I'm gonna kill you. Okay?
I'll put that in the video too.
Yes.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go. Bro, I told you they were deep. Oh wait, is it a catfish?
No, it's a bass.
Oh, it is a bass.
That is hilarious.
Bro, I told you. Literally 30 seconds of trolling.
It's over.
30 seconds of trolling. Bro. I was literally just talking about how this could work.
Dude, I was like, no.
I told you there were some deep.
That's not big though.
That's the biggest one of the day.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Mine
it
was
is.
bigger than that.
Sure it was.
Mine
We'll
was
throw it
bigger
back.
than that.
Bro, I told you they were... No, we have to troll for like 5 minutes, bro.
No.
Heck yes.
Fine. I think my turn.
Bro, that was funny. It felt so big at first.
It bit your rod over.
Bro, it bit it so much. Jack caught one.
Let's get back.
It's his first one of the day.
Ugh, broke off so many fish.
Yeah, he's broken out on a lot of fish right now. But, yeah. Just caught this guy.
I'm getting bites every single day.
Let's go. Jack's had a bite almost every cast, but he's landed one so far. Yeah, here you go, buddy. See ya. Just caught a white crappie. Think we should eat him, Jack?
No.
No, we won't eat him.
Once we start catching a bunch of crappie, we're not. Oh, dude, he just took that. I got one too.
Jack got one. Double up. Oh, dang.
It was small.
Put him back.
Yo, Gilly.
Got the little brim right here. Yeah. Oh, he just peed on me.
Oh, dude, one just jumped.
He just peed on me. Get this out. Dang, I hate when bluegills bite them.
The other day, I was in Frisco with my grandparents, and I was catching bass.
Ah, there he goes. Got one.
I think it's big. Oh, it's a crappie.
Oh, no, it's a bass. It's a bass. Let's
Get him up, get him
go.
up, get him up.
Yes, sir. That's the longest one of the day. Maybe not the biggest, but that is the
I
longest.
still think mine's the biggest.
Let's go. Throw him back. Nice.
That's a giant.
Got one. Oh.
How big is that?
I don't know.
Probably at least 3. Oh, that's at least.
Can you grab him? Can you grab him?
I can try.
Let's go. I'll get him unhooked and I'll show him you guys. Guys, just caught this on the raptor tail from Exxon Baits. Here's real quick. About a 3.5 pounder. Look at the belly. Bro, why do they look like they have not spawned? They literally look like they haven't spawned. Here you go, baby girl. Crashing, I'm gonna get a picture.
Hope y'all liked today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload a new video. I'm trying to get more videos coming out pretty soon, so let's try to do that. Get more likes, more subscribers, and tell your friends. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.